Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're at a beach. This is Xiamen University, Baicheng. So just kind of zoom in and you can see it's all here. So you have like a boardwalk right here, and then they're selling all these kind of stuff here, here, and we're gonna kind of zoom in on the beach scene. Okay. I wonder what that is right there. I don't know, maybe you might know. So if anybody knows what that could be. And a rock. And zoom in on some of these. Okay. Okay, so you can do some bike rentals there. More people way down there. A lot of people down there by the shade. They might walk down there. Okay. So let's walk down there. Oh, looks like you can also walk down this way too. See, my zoom isn't strong enough. It goes, but it doesn't always do it sharply. You can see like a little walkway path there. That's pretty cool. Okay. So maybe you get a better sense of what it's like here. Okay, I'm gonna walk. I'll just kind of go through one more time. All the people at the beach. And I'm gonna go all the way over here. And I'll turn on the camera when I get over here unless I see something really cool before I get to it. There's all that shade. Okay. Okay, we're gonna keep walking, but you can kind of see, looks like there's a lot of trees. So we're gonna get down there. Looks like there's nice walkways down there too, so we'll get down there shortly. Still doing our walk here, but this it's like a little bike rental place, so they stick all the bikes up in the bushes here. But okay, pretty cool tree right there too. And so we're gonna continue walking over there. I don't know what this is. Let me back up a little bit. But yeah, it's like there's always something. Let's see, if you know Chinese, maybe just tell me what that is. But yeah, we're still trying to get to that walk, but I keep seeing cool stuff all along the way, so I might as well record it, you know. Still right next to these bikes over here, and these they put a lot of white paint on the trees at the base. You can kind of see that. It kind of reminds me of Vietnam. They do that there too. I guess there's kind of a connection between southern China and Vietnam anyway, so you can see it. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let me zoom in on that. It's a pretty good view right there. Yeah, I should probably play around more with the zoom camera than I did the GoPro a lot. Okay. Okay, we're getting closer and closer, so that's kind of cool. Looks like there's a salesperson, I guess. And a lot of people are hanging out over there in the shade. I guess it makes sense. They still have their sand and they got their shade, so why not? It's about noon here too, so. And some people are just getting a rest. And another angle. So you can see there's almost nobody in the sunshine part. Lots of people in the shade. Okay, so I'm basically at the beach now, so you can just basically see mostly families, and they're just kind of at the beach enjoying it. So, yeah, kind of cool. Okay, so that's basically what's here. And then you have this kind of walkway path. Okay, that's basically the beach here. Yeah, and just kind of like some background about Xiamen. It's the main circle is like a big island, so there's this kind of roadway that goes around it, circular. It's like outer roadway or something like that. But yeah, I got all these kind of beaches too, so I think this is, I think there's other beaches too, but this is one of them. One of probably many. But I think this is one of the ones that I saw is kind of popular. Makes sense, it's like right on the island. City beach, in a way. Pretty cool. And then, so you also have like, these guys are sleeping, and then you can see this incense. It's fun to zoom in on that. So yeah, kind of just resting with incense. And this is like kind of a little park that's in the shade. So I might, yeah, pretty cool. And I'm gonna see this is maybe Xiamen University. It's like a university emblem right there anyway. Let's zoom in on it and see. Okay, there you go. This is university. Well, probably Xiamen University. If not, just let me know.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.